I don't know. His barks don't sound the same anymore, and he just acts really aggressive towards me. I caught him sitting in the corner of my room the other night, just watching me.
I'm sorry, what does this have to do with us? This is kind of like the job for animal expert.
I just didn't know what else to do.
Do you think that something in the woods might have scared or hurt him?
I don't know. There's also something wrong with his body, like his bones have been sticking out of his skin.
Listen, Hannah, I understand you're scared right now, but I think you really need to show us this dog.
I'll take you to him.
Okay, let's go. He's in here?
Yeah.
Can I translate something?
No, don't turn them on. I think they hurt his eyes. He almost bit me last time.
Okay, we're going. Thanks. What?
What's wrong with it?
Bro, there's something wrong with that thing.
Do you think that something's wrong with him?
Yeah. Listen, if you just want to go to sleep, we're going to set up some cameras in this place. Just try to see what he's doing at night that's making all those noises.
Okay.
We're going to make sure nothing goes wrong, okay?
Okay.
Alright, okay, let's get to work. If you just want to go to sleep.
Bro, what was back there?
Dude, there's something wrong with that thing.
What? What are you talking about? Are you sure this isn't for animal control?
I don't know, let's just set up the cameras.
Okay.
Alright, let's just put this camera.
طبعا حطوا كاميرات في كل البيت مشان يراقبوا شو راح يصير.
Okay. Let's put a camera in the dog's house.
بكل الغرف حطوا كاميرات وهلا تبدأ المراقبة.
Okay, so we just got back to the car to watch these cameras. We have one in Anna's room, the hallway, and the dog's room.
Dude, you saw that dog. What's wrong with it? Is it sick or something?
Bro, it just did not look normal to me.
I just don't think we should be dealing with a sick dog like this.
Dude, let's just watch the cameras for a little bit and see what this dog's doing at night, okay?
Alright. Dude, wait, go back to the dog's room. I think he's waking up.
Okay. Okay, well, he's coming out from behind the cabinet.
Dude, why does he move so strangely?
Let's just see what he does.
Dude, what kind of noise is that?
I don't know, why does it sound so sick?
Dude, I'm really freaking out right now. Is Anna waking up?
Let me see. Okay, so it looks like she's still asleep. Let's just keep watching this thing to see if he does anything else, okay?
Okay. Dude, where the hell is this dog going?
Is he going to Anna's room?
Why is he walking like that?
Bro, I think we need to go inside.
Not yet. He's just looking at her. I want to see what he does. Oh, is he licking her hand?
Why is his tongue so long?
Boy, see it up! It's not a dog! It's not a dog! Yo, dude, I heard something.
What? Yo!
قول له وين الكلب وين الكلب.
Yo, there's stuff on the ground.
Yo, what is this stuff?
Is this part of the dog?
Yo, let's go tell Anna. Let's go. Let's go. Anna. Yo, tell us not your dog. We need to go now, okay? Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.